Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can add our team for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is our team. Let's click sign up for free and let's sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you. When you will have it, let's click login. Now in login page, you want to write theme and you're gonna see it here, theme showcase. Click on it. You will get on this site company structure, small team. You can really choose which one you like. Music, band. I will go with the small team. Continue. Now you can just easily edit photo, name, position, contact information, everything. Then you can change the layout here, like the grid. I will like this one here. And style, you can change the colors. So call to action, you can also like delete it. Let's click save now. When you will have it, you need to choose between the plans. If you're just starting out, go with the light one, 200 views per month. But if you get like 5,000 views or 50,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. When we have the code, let's go to our site. Now add HTML and just paste it. Save HTML and click save. Now, when you have it, you get like perfect your team here, and that's it. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.